Alright, got a pretty nice looking Ford Ranger up there, but that's not what I wanted to talk to you guys about. Let's go back here. I want to talk about Dodge and Ram and the Cummins diesel. So, I just got this tool. I should have had it a long time ago. It's to take the oil filter out through the fender well. That's how I do it. So you go ahead and unscrew that filter and just drop her down. She'll only go down about 4 inches. Then you'll screw this on there, which is only a couple threads you need. Now you can lift that filter and snake it out through the fender well there. And I always use a Mopar filter on my Dodge Ram Cummins. Just did one the other day. I think it was a 2016. And then when you go ahead and you're getting ready to put the new oil filter on, you'll go ahead and fill this up. I always fill them up, and then you'll cap this off, and then you'll be able to put it back in there without spilling too. So I was just wondering, what filters do you guys use on your Ram Cummins? This is what I use. It's an MO-285. And then I normally use Rotella, and usually you can get by all the time with a 540. That's what I did on the 2016. Some guys will request, a 1540. I think on the old Dodge Cummins, in the 5.9s, a T4 would even work. I don't even have any T4. I do got some Volvo Delvac. I don't know what I've got this for, but it's here. Some 540. And I also got 1540, which is a synthetic blend. So, I was just wondering what oil and what filters do you guys use, and does everybody that has a Ram Cummins have this tool? If not, I'm going to put a link in the comments for this. It's pretty cheap. Alright guys, so let me know what you think about that, and hopefully everybody had a good day, worked really hard and got a lot done, and thanks for watching. You can catch me next time.